To troubleshoot Google Analytics tracking code, start by verifying that the code is correctly installed on your website. Check the source code of your web page to ensure the tracking code is present and correctly formatted. Look for the Google Analytics tracking ID, which should be in the format UAXXXXXX. Next, check the tracking code placement. It should be placed in the head section of your web page, before the closing head tag. This ensures that the code is executed before the page loads, allowing for accurate tracking. Use the Google Tag Assistant extension for Chrome to validate the tracking code. This tool can help identify any issues with the code, such as incorrect formatting or missing tracking IDs. It can also verify that the code is firing correctly and sending data to Google Analytics. Check the Google Analytics dashboard for any errors or warnings. Look for messages indicating that the tracking code is not receiving data or that there are issues with the code. Use the real-time reports to verify that data is being sent to Google Analytics. If you don't see any data, it may indicate a problem with the tracking code. Another common issue is that the tracking code is not firing on all pages. Check that the code is installed on all pages of your website, including any subdomains or subfolders. Use the Google Analytics debugger to verify that the code is firing on all pages and to identify any issues. Finally, test the tracking code using the Google Analytics test mode. This allows you to verify that the code is working correctly without affecting your live data. By following these steps, you can identify and resolve issues with your Google Analytics tracking code, ensuring accurate and reliable data collection.